Dude, that's really musical. The first time I've sat in a Corvette that actually has a build, so I like that.
Yeah,
Appreciate it, man. The lock?
No, the basic killed it. You got the jerk on it.
I got it. Got it. Woo.
I done run into the daggone pole. I done run into the pole.
Oh.
I'm gonna put a different,
Wow. Well, I like this. The way the port design is there?
yeah,
That's pretty cool.
The old Frankenstein port, they call
Frankenstein port. Okay. So what kind of subs are these?
it. DNR's 15 Skar.
Skar.
D1s.
Okay.
I got two 8K bass Clef. Crescendos in the back. I got a JY80. And I got a limited lithium 45 and two 15s.
Wow. Have you metered it? How did it do?
It does a 57.1 in the kick, 55 to 56 on the dash.
Okay. That's good. Wow, for just two 15s walled in this little car. Woo.
I bet to load you up.
Uh-oh, okay. All right, what was your name?
Ed Dickerson
All right.
from Meta, Georgia. Me and Will live probably 5 miles,
Okay,
8 miles
I'm Savannah,
apart.
Georgia here. All right.
Well, you ain't far then.
No, sir.
Just put it on. That's my competition demo. I put the others back in there. I don't put that one in, but just for certain.
Oh man, that gave you like your peak. What was that frequency?
43.
43. Whew. Yeah, that's a good one for definitely for the you're peaking at 43. Is that with the door open?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it'll still do 43 sealed, but
Okay.
it ain't as strong. It don't.
yeah.
It don't like sealed as good.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I'm able to,
Awesome, man. Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Dude, that's really musical. The first time I've sat in a Corvette that actually has a build, so I like that.
Yeah,
Appreciate it, man.
Mr. Wayne Harris built one in '84.
Okay.
But his was more musical than
It is?
this one.
Yeah. Oh, really?
That's the reason why I built it.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, you might have to help me get out. Woo! That was awesome. Whew. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, that was awesome. Especially with that window, if you give me that peak, that was pretty impressive for just that wall with the power you have. So
When you load that up,
yes, sir.
see, I got that competition disc. It does way better, but I don't demo it because if something blows, you know.
You don't want to blow anything, yeah. You give a few seconds to get me see how it feels. That was pretty good. Yeah, thank you, man. Hey, you have a good day.
Bring some ice for my cup, my drink with me. My cup, my drink with me.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.